My name is Liv, and I own a lot of plants. I really like watering my plants. Packing my plants.
That's what I was thinking.
Just staring at them. There's something about a plant that just makes all the working parts of my brain go all sparkly. The problem that I have with my plants is that they outnumber the surfaces in my home like 10 million to 1. So the solution is to either get rid of some plants, which is never gonna happen, or just acquire more surfaces. That is the goal of the video today. I'm going to be delving into the magical world of interior design to build a hybrid plant stand, coffee table, bookshelf to hold more plants. The design idea was to flip the milk crate upside down so that the bottom base becomes the top of the table, and then to cut a alcove out of the side of the milk crate so that you can put stuff in it and it can be like a bookshelf. As always, it's a great day for science, and I hope it's a great day for you. Bye!